أحب الوفاء بشتى الصور، أحب الوفي الأمين الأغر، فأهل الوفاء كلون السحاب.
نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد، فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم: إنما بعثت معلما. صدق الله العظيم وصدق رسوله النبي الكريم. The pen is in my hand and I think, how would Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam be praised? Dear listeners, 1400 years ago the world was surrounded with darkness. The people were acted as slaves. Here the girls were buried alive into the grave, and their mothers of those children were bursting, killing people and destroying humanity was simple thing. Yes, Mr. President, as you know, if the shame is drunk by thinking in nothing, so the edge of the humanity is flown away. This was the condition of Arabs. Not only Arabs, but this was causing the darkness to get more darker. The world was covered with no justice. Nothing was crying to the man. The cruelness was about to end, and human was not acted as a human, but eventually as animals. So in this condition, a lighting appears and spreads all of the darkness. Through this lighting, darkness gets away and brightness spreads in all sides of the world. Yes, dear audience, as you know, in the home of Abdullah, our beloved Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born. The world with spread cruelness gets away. In this way, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam starts praying the God. He starts obeying the orders of Allah, and after being revealed first time, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam starts preaching Islam. The man who was Sadiq wa Amin after preaching Islam, after being revealed, was known as magician and mad. But trying is better than crying. Mr. President, how much problems, trials, opportunities and perplexities come his way, but he and his companions did not lose the hopes and powers. As in Quran come, Muhammadur Rasulullah والذين معه أشداء على الكفار رحماء بينهم. And after uncountable sacrifices, this Islam is front of us, but today we have forgotten the ahkam of Allah, forgotten the sunnah of Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and even we don't know about the good deeds. In the end, I would like to conclude my speech by saying that if we want to get success in the world, the day of judgment and in the hereafter, so we have to obey the sunnah of Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam and do good deeds. Believe in Allah and do good deeds. Thank you so much.
أحب الوفاء بشتى الصور، أحب الوفي الأمين الأغر، فأهل الوفاء كلون السحاب وحسن الربيع وماء